to Kitchen Boss. We're on Boss Media. We're gonna make dinosaur eggs. We're gonna need baking soda, water, twice like a dinosaur, sequins, and food coloring. Let's get started. So we're gonna use one red, one yellow. Then put a few dots of food coloring. You don't need too much. So I'm gonna start the red one first. Now we need to add water. Don't add too much water, but if you do, just add more baking soda. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. So the baking soda needs to be like wet sand. Oh my gosh, this is really hard. Yeah, look!
I like that one. I like that one too.
Now we roll the baking soda into balls. You can put anything in yours, but we're gonna put dinosaurs in ours. Is that a good idea, kids? Tra-la-la, twiddly-dee. You can be kind like me, like me. Putting stripes on. There. Wait till the egg dries and then you can fizzle it with vinegar. When baking soda and vinegar combined has a reaction. Look guys. That's good. This is blowing my mind away. Ah, it's still going! Voila! Thanks for watching. Dinosaur eggs don't really fizz.